Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl CEO. Guys, great place. No youth wardrobe, guys. This is youth wardrobe. We're doing shopping at Punks. We're upstairs. So guys, I am looking for a dress. Nina. Oh. Siapa manje?
Morning, guys. Morning. I hope you guys are good because I'm good. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, today it's Tuesday, so I'm going to unbox my order from Take a Load. Okay, so I ordered a few things for my vlogging. Actually, I ordered some vlogging kits. Don't worry, yours. So unbox with me. Let's unbox. Okay, so this is the first box, of course. Okay, I'm not sure what's in here. Yeah, it's open. Okay guys, so as you can see, there is a hot sale to Take a Load. It's 50%, up to 50%, yes, of the hottest brands. There is a sale, so place your order now. Place your order now. Okay, I'm happy. This is the best feeling ever, actually. It's so nice. It feels so nice when you're unpicking something. Okay. I'm about to see. Okay. So guys, this is the video making keys. Okay guys, this is the video making keys. Yeah. Okay. Let's open. Let's see. Sorry about the lights. Hopefully, you see guys. Yeah. It's this way. The video making kits. It has the tripod, the LED flash, and the micro, and the smartphone universal holder, and the remote control. Yes. This kit contains all those things that I've mentioned. Okay. I decided to order this because for now I don't have a camera. I'm using my iPhone to film the videos. So I thought it would be good for me to get some video making kits to make my videos quality to be much more better. Yeah. So let's open. Guys, so happy. Okay, let's see. So this is the micro. Then this is the smartphone. This is the tripod. I think the tripod is a bit smaller for my phone, but then we'll see. Okay. I think this is the charger. Yes. This is the LED flash. Okay. Then this is the tripod. And this is the tripod. How does it work? How do you open it? I don't know, but I'll see. Because I'm still going to read the instructions and everything. Yeah. I'll show you guys on how it works. Then I'll share my review with you. Yeah. Okay, let's open the second box. Here's the pair of scissors now. Okay. I think there's a ring light here because I ordered a video making kit and a ring light. Yeah. Let's see. So let's open and let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. Yo, guys. So, how do we open here? How do we? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay, and it's just box. The ring lights. Okay, so guys, I want to read the instructions first because I haven't gone through the instructions on how to use my new berries. But we'll see. Okay, let's put the boxes away. Okay. I don't see the instructions here, so I guess I've got to do a bit of research. Yeah. Let me see. Let me try. So long, guys, here. I don't know how to open this tripod. Because I can't see the instructions here. Okay. Okay, guys, so the best thing to do, okay, I'll first do research, okay, on how to, my new babies. Then, when I'm done, I'll show you guys because I really do not know. I really don't know how to open this. See you later. I'll see you later.
I'm back. Okay, so guys, I've managed to do the application scenarios of the ring lights, and here we go. You can see a ring light that is ready to be used. So we use the pools there. I'm in love with it. I love it. Let me see. There's one thing that I haven't checked. I think the only thing I can complain about this ring light isn't stable, but we'll see when I use it. Let me check. Now I'll see what I'll do. I think I need a taller tripod, another tripod knee. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm sorry I was out for a moment. Okay, so my ring light is just ready for use. Okay, I'm just going to charge it first before I use it. Yeah, so that I can check and how it works. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm struggling with following the instructions that are on the application scenarios of the video making kits, but I'm going to try my best. I don't know, but okay, press here. So press here, it's moves. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think here a tray. Yeah, I need to use the screws and insert the flash, the LED flash. Okay. Alright, then now the problem is, how do I guys, this thing is so simple. Okay, then let me see. Okay, so you adjust. Okay, so this is where you adjust the position of the flash, ne? Yeah, guys, so Sana, because I'm so happy. Okay, the reason why I chose a small vlog video making kits is because I want to carry it everywhere I go. So that is why I chose this one. Yeah, since I won't be able to carry a large video making kits, that is why I chose this one. Okay, now how do we insert the micro? Do we insert the micro? That is my problem now. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost here. Okay. Okay, let me try. I see now. Okay, so I think this is how. Yes! Okay. Okay. I'm getting the. Okay, then this. La strata. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, then. No. Okay, so guys, I made a mistake. I was supposed to add the fist before I add the LED flash. Okay. But how? Okay, so let me do like this. And let's see. Sure, it's so difficult. It's a bit. Guys, this is harder than I thought. It's harder than I thought. There is. Maybe, do we do it like, how do you do it? Yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay, so there's a screw here on the tripod, so I'm going to insert the phone holder here, just like this. Then then I need to fit in this here, then use this. Okay, so I think I'm done. But then I need to insert this in the right way so that I could be able to use them to film my videos. You see? Okay. The LED flash should face where I'll insert my phone on the phone holder. Yeah. No, I made a mistake again. Exactly. So, finally. Okay, so I'm going to insert my phone here. Then we'll be ready to go. So, guys, welcome to better quality of my videos, audio. Okay, because using my phone only to film the videos was really a bit harder. But then now, I hope and I know I won't struggle that much again. Yeah, I won't struggle that much anymore. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I can adjust the tripod. Yeah, there's an adjusting button here. I'm so happy, guys. So I'll do a video when I've used my new babies. I'll do a video where I'll be sharing my reviews about them with you. Stay well. Okay, guys, so I'm back again. Okay, so we're done with unboxing the Mythical Loads order. I'm so happy with the products. Yeah, they're good. I've checked the ring lights. It works perfectly, and the video making kits, it's working. It's so good, so good. So from my next video or my vlog, for my next vlog, I'll be using my video making kits and my ring lights to film the videos. I am so excited. I am so obsessed with them. I love them so much. Okay, so now let's see what's in here. Okay, so it was my birthday on Sunday, on the 25th of February. So I didn't do much. I haven't celebrated my birthday yet. So I decided to get myself something just to just to loosen up. Yeah. Okay, so I went to Foschini, yeah, in Durban. And got myself my favorite bag that I've been praying for too long. Yo, guys, I badly wanted this bag. It's not on the trend. Yeah, the little bag, guys. I'm so happy. Yeah, it's only 900 rand. Yes, it's 8,999. Yeah, I love the bag, guys. The quality, the color. This is my favorite color, actually. Okay, it's one of my favorite colors. Okay, so I also chose to get myself a bit of sunglasses. Guys, sunglasses are a must. Okay, so I got myself these. They're matching with my bag. Guys, okay. I feel like so hot. So hot. Okay, these are only just for 120. Yeah. I also got them from Foschini. Yeah. I'm so obsessed with them. I'm a fan. I'm in love with them. I'm so in love with them. You know, I wrote this and I got out with my friend. Yeah. Guys, there's a lot of unpacking and an unboxing that I need to do. Yeah, but then for now, guys, I want to go to town and get a few things, cosmetics and some clothes, of course. Yeah, I'm spoiling myself since it's my birthday month. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you later. I don't know if I'll be able to film the videos because you guys here, but then I'll try to take some videos so that guys you can see what I'll be doing today. Yeah, well, I'll be doing my shopping because I'll be buying my cosmetics. But then I was thinking of get some the labs products, those products from Pip, the lab products, and maybe I'll get a few from Clicks. Yeah, since they don't have the skin here. Yeah. So I love you all. I'll see you later. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to town, as I told you that I'm going to do some shopping. Yes, I'm so beautiful. So this is my feet. This is my outfits. I do like get in the position the device. I want you guys to see me properly. So beautiful. 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 I just chose that to be simple. I wanted to be simple, so I just decided to wear my velvet dress. Then I'm going to wear my denim jackets since it's cloudy outside. Yeah, it's a bit cold. Yeah, so I didn't want a serious jacket, so I chose this denim jacket. I don't know how it's going to look here. I'm sorry guys that I can't show you my sneakers, but here they are. Here they are. I'm wearing my Nike Air Force. It's white and blue, so that's why I chose to wear this bluish denim jacket. I am extremely gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm going to carry this pink handbag. Yeah, oops. Oh my. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. I'll see you later. Love you.
Okay guys, so here I am now ready to go. I'm traveling to town. This is when I was on my way to town. I used a taxi. We arrived at the mall where we're going to do our shopping with my bestie. It's my bestie. I'm gonna tell you for you, my bestie. Then we went to Woolies because there were sandals that I was looking for. Yes. Look at my bestie. She's so beautiful.
Friends, we're at Woolies. I want to check their heels. I want to check here. uphikisana nesasa.
Nomngani wami.
Ngoba ekuseni ngikwazi ukushuka.
Cha, bo vele ngiyozubona uhamba kuqala mina ngiyahamba. Singefana.
Okay, guys, welcome back again. Okay, prepare. So here I was preparing my Kelly work. Yeah, it was rough. It was rough. I don't wanna lie. There was load shedding, and I had to prepare my hair because in the morning I was going to wake up and go to school that day. Guys, it was a lot. It was exhausting. Yo. But then Kelpos made things much more easier for me. I got Kelpos from Clicks with an affordable price. It really helped me. Guys, this is my Vaseline lip therapy. It is the best. Here, it was my first day at school. I was in the staff room preparing for my lesson because I had a class in the morning, so I had to prepare for my lesson before I go to class. Guys, that is nothing that feels so good as being a teacher, a young teacher. Guys, I chose mother of all professions. I love this profession. Being a teacher is a wonderful thing. It feels so good, and I'm so happy that now I'm doing my 4th year. I'm going to have my degree soon. I'm going to be a graduate. It's just a matter of few months to come. Then I'll be a graduate soon. Guys, as I was telling you about the Vaseline therapy from Clicks, it is the best. It is the best. It soothes my lips. My lips never go dry. It soothes them. It is so good. Here I was looking at the teachers in staff room. You know how colleagues are. We're always speaking. I don't know the lie, shame, guys. Being in school, it's just good. Even though there are challenges that are challenging sometimes with the kids, but then I love it there. So guys, this is my lunch, my peanuts, which are giving Woolies vibes, waffles, chips, an apple, my lunchbox, and a Danone. So here I went to take pictures and film some videos. Content, guys, content. It's very important. Content. A young teacher who's a content creator. Yeah. Content. Guys, I love my kids. They are so amazing. They've got that's positive energy. Yeah. They boost my ego. They are compliments. They give me ego. I love my kids a lot. I love them so much. I don't know why. You see the way they're looking at me. They're giving me ego. Guys, I love it at school. I'm model at school, How can you forget the sunglasses, guys? They are a must, even in school. I bring them.
Hello guys,
even in school.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so sorry about the face. Yeah, I've applied the turmeric soap on my face. I'm using turmeric soup for my face. Yeah. So guys, I think it was yesterday. I went to town as I told you guys, I went to town to buy a few things. So it's time for our clothing haul. Hopefully you enjoyed, guys. I'm so tired, guys. I don't wanna lie. Today it was my first day at school. My teaching practice. Yeah. I'm so exhausted. Being a teacher is not easy, but I love it. That is why I chose it. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, these are the perfumes I bought from Motel Perfumes. Motel Perfumes, it's in Durban. West Street. Yeah. So this is the first one. The Flawless perfume. Then we've got the Lady Millionaire. The Lady Millionaire perfume. Let's open and see. This is the Lady Millionaire. Then the flawless one. It's this one. They smell so nice. Those perfumes are so good. I love them. Then this one is the Purple Sea. Oh wow. Purple Sea. It's this one. Yeah, I'm using them along with the body spray. They smell so nice. I love them. But my favorite perfume is the Flawless. It's the Flawless. Okay then I went to Mr. Price. And I got a few things here. I love this. I love those t-shirts. It's Mel's t-shirts actually. I love it. So I decided to buy it. You guys, I wish I could fit this clothes for you so that you can see. It's just that I'm tired actually, since I just came back from work. Teaching practice are just like work. It's like going to work. So I bought this oversized t-shirts. I loved it. I love the color. I love its quality. It's amazing. Okay, it's XL. It was just 100 Rand. But just look at how beautiful it is. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, then bought this cargo pants. It matches with the t-shirts. I rock it. Okay, so I bought this cargo pants. It was on sale. Actually, it's 300 Rand, but then I found it on sale for 200 Rand. You see? Yeah, I love it so much. My cargo pants. Okay, then I wanted a shorts, but a denim shorts, but then I was struggling to find one because of my ass. So I decided to buy a Mel's denim shorts. So guys, look, it's stunning. Guys, I wish I could show you how beautiful I look in this denim short, but then next time. Okay, so it was also on sale because it's 180 the original price, but then I bought it for 100 Rand. I'm sorry, guys. I love it. Just look at it, guys. Oh, I mean, guys, just look. Then okay, so guys, okay, then we're done with the Mr. Price. Yeah, I think it's only those that I bought from Mr. Price. Okay, then there's this it's called, it's Smart Girls. It's in Durban, Smart Girls. It says really good clothes, ne? Their clothes are clothes from Zara, Legit, Levi's. Yeah, it's also in Durban. This pants these beautiful pins. It was just 100 rand. Okay, then I bought you guys this. I bought this yellow baby, mellow yellow baby. It says kiss in the top. You guys, I'm so in love. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. I bought them from Blaze. Yes, I bought them from Blaze for 250 rand. Both for 250 rand. Yeah, I love, guys, I love this. I can't wait to wear it. And look at beautiful warnings. I can't wait. Okay, then I bought this from the Smart Girls too. This one. It was just 100 rand. It's giving those rich auntie vibes. I look so elegant in this. I promise. I love it so much. Okay then. Oh, guys, no. Guys, you're not ready. Okay, then this dress. Guys, I love this dress with all my heart. Okay, this dress, I also bought it from Smart Girls. Just imagine, for 89 rand. 89 rand. Just look at it, guys. Oh, guys, this dress is so gorgeous. Hey. Oh, guys, no. I bought this from Blazer for 180 rand. 480 rand. Guys, look. Look at this. Look, guys. Guys, you will see me in my denim dress. I can't wait to wear it. Okay, then I got this skirt from Tags. Yeah, it was just under for 80 rand. I love it. I think I'll wear this whenever I'm going to just relax by this beach. I don't know, but sort of, yeah. Okay, then I also have these. I bought this pants from Smart Girls. Yeah, it's from Smart Girls. It was just for only 90 rand. Can you imagine? Just look at these pants, guys. These pants, they are so gorgeous. Okay, then I've got these dress. I bought this one because maybe I'm going to a boat cruise or anything, I just decided to buy this dress. I love its color and it's so relaxed. I will relax in this dress. Oh, just to be comfortable, you know. Yeah. Okay, then I also bought this red satin skirt. Oh, I love this baby. I love this baby. I love this baby so much. It was only just for 120 rand from Tags. Yeah. Guys, I am really happy. So, I'm so happy. Actually, there's nothing that's exciting like doing shopping. For me, doing...
Bye guys, I love you all. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I'll see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Love you.